Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can edit video with CapCut for Windows or CapCut for PC or laptop. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my laptop, and if you want to start editing the video, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the new project button right here. Then we can import some materials to our project. We can click on import button, then we can import videos, photos, or audio. And for example, I'm going to import this video. Then for the audio, I'm going to import this one. Then just select the audios, videos, or photos that you want to import, then click on open. Okay, and the materials have been imported to our project, and if you want to edit the material, we can drag the material right here on the timeline. I'm going to drag the audio as well. Alright, and for example, if you want to edit the video, we can click on the video on this timeline. Then we can edit the speed of the video, we can put animation, and it's up to you guys. You can edit as you like. And for example, I'm going to make the video faster. We can go right like this to make the video faster. Then we can also put animation, but at this time I don't want to put animation. I'm just going to add filters for my video. So click on filter if you want to add filter, and you can select the filter that you like. And for example, I'm going to add this filter, and make sure that you have internet connection to download the filter. Okay, and we can make the filter align with the video. We can drag it like this, and I'm going to put effect as well. We can click on effect, then we can download the effect that we want to use. For example, I'm going to add butterfly effect. Then I'm going to add this effect. Click on this plus button if you want to add the effect to our project. And we can make the effect align with our video. We can drag it like this. Okay, and you can also put tag sticker to your project, guys. It's up to you. And as you can see that this audio is longer than the video, so I'm going to make the audio align with the video. Click on the audio, then click on split, then just click on delete to remove the unwanted part. Alright guys, and let's just take a look at the result. So I'm just going to play the video. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit video in CapCut PC or laptop. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.